Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem from DRYNESS Homoeopathy. Today I'll discuss a very interesting remedy, that is NATRUM in relation to the tongue of NATRUM. Of course, there is a very common symptom of tongue of NATRUM, geographical tongue with red incisal patches on side. I'll discuss few symptoms where the tongue will tell you that I am NATRUM. Very interesting symptoms of NATRUM tongue is there. For example, there is numbness of the tongue. The patient says, Doctor साहब ऐसा लगता है मेरे टंग में कोई जान नहीं है. There is numbness of the tongue before headache. This is a very important symptom of NATRUM. NATRUM is a remedy for headache and migraine headaches. Quite often we prescribe, and we have that sun headache and all. But this symptom, the tongue will speak for you in NATRUM. That is numbness of the tongue before headache. As you go further, the patient can also tell you that numbness on half side, means half of the tongue is numb. This is again important symptom because this is a very peculiar symptom of NATRUM. There is numbness of one side of the tongue. And now comes the tip. This is also very important. There is numbness at the tip of the tongue. Like for example, triangular red tip, rustox. So numbness, tip of the tongue, and there can be one more symptom, that is numbness, tip of the tongue, half side. So these are the very important symptom of NATRUM tongue: numbness, which is before headache, half side, numbness at tip of the tongue, or numbness half part tip of the tongue. The tip of the tongue is also important. One more symptom of NATRUM that you should remember: there is also a trembling sensation at the tip of the tongue. The patient, I had a very interesting case, and the patient used to come and tell me, "Sir, ऐसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे कोई वेव चल रही, कोई मचल रहा है." used to tell me, मचल रहा है, चींटी चल रही है. So there was a lot of trembling, मचल रहा है, wave समान at the tip of the tongue. Now converting this मचल रहा है at the tip of the tongue was trembling at the tip of the tongue, and I gave the patient NATRUM 200. The patient recovered within 15 days of the medicine. He was suffering from severe gastritis. So these are a very important keynotes and entry point of NATRUM tongue. There's one more symptom that you should remember in NATRUM, apart from the tongue, in relation to the mouth, that is vesicles inside the upper lip. The patient comes and tells you, he opens up the upper lip and there are vesicles on the lips, inside the upper lip here. This is again a very interesting symptom of NATRUM. Especially you can see the vesicles and you can see blood inside the vesicle. That is the blood vesicles and inside the upper lip. Then my dear friends, the remedy is NATRUM. So these are the entry points, and one symptom that in many of cases I have seen, that is dryness of the tongue. The tongue is very dry, and if you see the thermals of NATRUM is hot and thirsty. That's why whenever the patient says there is no thirst, the patient is thirstless, in our mind we do not think about NATRUM, my dear friends. But in this case, dryness of the tongue without thirst, please write down, without thirst, is also NATRUM. You can compare that symptom with pulsatilla or phosphorus or calcarea or capsicum, but in NATRUM, dryness of the tongue is absolutely dry without thirst, and that is NATRUM. So as Hahnemann has said in aphorism number 6, unprejudiced observer, I also say unprejudiced in mater medica. Don't have fixed ideas. Read the common remedy. There are a lot of uncommon symptoms in the common remedy which you have not heard or which you have not read. So this is NATRUM. Go home and read NATRUM again. So these are very few symptoms which I have found in my practice. I am sharing with you. So my dear friends, if you like this NATRUM tongue video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.